Did you just move into a new home? Well, your landscape may give you a few surprises I'd like to tell you about. Hi there, Tweetie here. We have links down in the description. We have playlists and single videos for you. Oh yes, patience can pay off in a new home. Give yourself at least 1 full year to live in a new place before you begin redoing the landscape. Plants and twigs that may look dead now may surprise you in the spring with beautiful blooms. Bulbs that may emerge in unexpected places and perennial climbers could creep back to life. So take note of what plants sprout and where around your yard and how they look in each season. Then you can better decide on what to keep, what to move, what to give away, and what to kill. And look for patches of poor drainage, pitiful views, and other pitfalls, and that way you can plan accordingly, and your second year in your home will be amazing. If you liked this secret stuff, click on the card above for more.